Invincible. This futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice. Good morning, and sorry about the bell. I forgot to turn it off. And welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Thursday. I hope everyone's had a great night, ready for a great day. Hey, R. Farrell, how are you? It's a pretty good night there. 920 accounts. Yeah, Asia's been running well. I've been noticing that. I've been busy during Asia, but not trading, and I wish I had been trading. So let's look at the markets overnight, shall we? We had an historic day yesterday. Excuse me, I had to sneeze. And Q went up over 600 points. Quite the day. Nice. That's a nice day. For today, our high 717, our low 504, so 213 points in range in the NQ. Yeah, first of the month, then we have jobless claims. 55.96 was the high on ES, low 55.58. So it's 41 points in range. Kappa, I forgot to move my yellow lines. Wow, 240 tick range on copper. Ultra Bond, you can tell I forgot to move all my yellow lines. Of course, one of those lines is blue. Not sure why one of those lines is blue. Anyway, yeah, only about half a point in range there. Gold, this is what we're going to be trading today. Honor the Olympics, silver and gold. We hit an all-time high on gold last night, 2502.8. And now it's sitting at 85. It dipped to 81, so about 21 points in range. DN, Deb, I haven't seen you in forever. How are you? Crude had a heck of a day yesterday. And overnight, only about 57 ticks of range. Bitcoin down to 64.6. That's a resist standard, whatever body posture you're choosing to take this morning. Things are going very well, Deb. Miss seeing you. So let me log out over here. I don't remember how. So I can log in on this. Let's move to a 1 minute. Wait, oh, I did a 1 hour instead of a 1 minute. Thought that was weird. Okay, there we go. Let's miss this nice short. Still trading, Deb? There you go. Sounds like a great morning, Farrell. So news for today, we have the jobless claims, all the stuff that goes with that at 8:30 and 9:45. U.S. S&P manufacturing PMI final at 10 o'clock. U.S. ISM manufacturing PMI. So news at 3 different times today. Of course, tomorrow is non-farm payroll. Also, after the bell today, we have Amazon and Apple earnings. Excellent, Deb. Excellent. Okay, I need my chart. Where's my chart? There's my. Oh, what happened to my chart? Huh. Okay. Oh. Ah, there's my chart. Yay. Okay. Yeah, mostly. Today, doing a special thing where I'm trading gold and silver in honor of the Olympics. But yeah, almost every day it's an NQ for me. Of course, today NQ is going to move really, really well, and gold's just going to stagnate. Also today is the start of the MightyOxTrading Ag Products Challenge. Me and a dozen others have bought cheap accounts, or well, CFT bought an expensive account, but most of us bought a cheap account, and we'll attempt to get funded on 4 unpopular ag products. For me, I will be doing feeder cattle. I got my alerts all set up. This was yesterday. It made a great move here. I got my alerts set up. Hopefully we'll get a couple nice moves off there. Should have taken that pop. Not pop, but bounce. That's the word I was looking for. So watching NQ. NQ is moving nicely. Silver not doing anything fun and exciting. It's definitely nice to see you, Deb. I hope you can stop in more often. Awesome. NQ made a nice move up there. So in the background, if I see a move on NQ, I will take it on a different account. Right here, we're doing the MyFundedFutures starter eval. And my funded Topstep's ready to go. Gold pulls back a little bit. Little tiny purple candle. Yeah, I do. I think their starter plans are now the best in futures, right there with Topstep, but even at cheaper price because there's no activation fee. And there's a couple of things I don't like about the company in general, but it's small stuff. So yeah, I've pretty much declared them as number one right now. Well, I'm saying Topstep's number one, but in the actual plans, actual counts, I think MyFundedFutures starter is number one. You're welcome. Yeah, 1 second. Morning, Speed Racer. There you go, Deb. Thanks. Code will only get because the starter plans are, there's not a sale. The code will get you an extra 5%, so it's an extra $4 off of the 50K. How you doing today, Speed Racer? Glad to hear that. First day of August. We have 22 trading days this month. Let's make the most of them. Unlike me right now, who should have taken that blue candle. Will GC get back up to 2,500 today? Oops. I have to change that. That 90% on Bulenox is no longer active. But Apex did extend their deal again. Again. Slow grind up. 13 minutes until our news. And Q popping. Oops. What did I just do? No idea. Ultra bond opens here in a couple minutes. It's been pretty flat overnight. What am I doing? Oh yeah. Gold continuing to rise here. Silver popping. Everything's happy right now. Maybe a bit too happy. Purple candle pullback. Potential. Didn't stick. Purple didn't stick. Will continue to rise. 24.89.9 is the high of this move. Thank everyone for joining me today. Hope everyone's having a good day so far. Feel free to join us in the chat. Say hi, ask questions, make comments. Less than 10 minutes till news. Start spreading the news. Oh, Chris? I think there's a good chance of it. Market's been definitely moving this week, the last few weeks, really. Yesterday was absolutely an amazing move up. Could have rode that sucker all day long. Hey, John. So you fought your way to green? Yeah, definitely great ranges. Why am I looking at NQ? I want to be looking at gold. Bad habits. Gold chopped me up and spit me out when I tried this on Tuesday. This is my revenge tour. Excuse me. Purple candle here. It's going to close 5 minutes before news. Went away anyway. You're constantly killing it though, John. It's time for you to size up some more, I think. Or get more accounts and copy trade. Short off that purple candle. It's got to break the 9. Not that I should ever be telling anyone how they should trade. How'd the bot do yesterday, John? Looks like I should have taken the quick 60 bucks there. Now it's bouncing on me. And stopped out. Darn it. So it went 6 ticks my way and then popped back up. Oh, wow. So did it keep trying to fight the trend, John? We'll stay flat for the news now. Feel like we're ready to come down on gold. See what news gives us. I did, John. I didn't do well in my funded futures, but then I switched over to Funded Futures Network. I don't know how I keep all these straight, and there I was up 800 bucks for the day. How rude of them, John. Oh, whoosh, pop. Gold pops up 2. And Q, look at what Q just did there. And Q dropped 30 and popped back up. So glad I did not play a short move there. Big old blue candle here on NQ, but that's I'm not sure I trust a blue candle like that, especially since it's a news candle. The 24.90, yeah, easy for me to say. 24.93.9. Again, the overnight high was the all-time high, broke 2,500 to 2502.8. So the blue candle would have worked there. It was just hard to trust. Continues to head up. Nice move there on NQ. Still watching that out of the corner of my eye as well. Silver is coming up as well. Still rising. Does it want 2,500 again? Pull back there on NQ. Less than an hour away from feeder cattle opening. And we reached the top, little red. We got close, 24.99.4. Really? It's going to get that close without going over? What do you think it is? The price is right? Taking the short. Stop's not that high. Let's see if it comes down for me. Target is the 9 EMA. Drop. You know you want that. Still trying to hang there. And Q's coming down. We're a full tick in the profit. Or we were a second ago. It's like the 9's trying to meet the price action instead of the price action meeting the 9. Which often means a bounce instead of a move down. Move my target up to where the 9's at now. There we go. Target hit. We got 12 ticks there. There's our first win of the day. And it's breaking the 9. It would make me almost want to take the purple candle here. Should I go to the well the second time? Thank you, Chris. Thank you, Deb. I should have went to the well the second time. It's moving down, but happy with that. Blusky's announced a delayed data issue for TradeDay. I'm not noticing anything on MyFundedFutures. Should have taken the purple candle, the 2-point candle. Pops on the 20. And keeps continuing to fall. So 1 for 2 this morning. 6 tick loss earlier. 7 tick loss earlier. No, full 10 tick loss earlier. What the heck am I saying? So we're up 2 ticks on the day so far. Nice bounce off the 20. Here's some rumblings of thunder. Let me check my radar. Not sure. It's clear. There was some in the that came through, but right now we're good. If you make 20, if you make 20K in a 50K account, you can take out 10K, and your loss would be at your max would be set at your starting balance. You just need 5 winning days of $200 or more to take out money. Then that's to take out half of your balance. If you have 30 days of $200 or more, then you can take out the entire balance. But no, you don't lose the money that you leave in there. I believe, don't quote me on this because I've never tested it, but I believe, okay, so if you take out the 10,000, you still have 10,000 left. If you get 5 more winning days, then you can take out another 50%. That's how I believe it works. So take out your 10K, that leaves you with 10K, make another 1,000, you have 11K, you should be able to take out 55. Right, yeah. Yeah, actually, I mean, if you still have 10K in there, the, your balance doesn't keep trailing. It stops when you reach your initial balance. So you really you would have 10K of drawdown to play with. Gold kind of sideways here. A little less than 45 minutes to the bell. A little bounce on NQ. You're very welcome. Still can't believe gold didn't reclaim 2,500 there. Got real close, but failed. It's a failure. Waiting for another opportunity. Might not come till the bell, but hopefully sooner. Pulls down. So we're at 24.94. Gold wants to try to keep grinding down here. Chris Sanchez was an all-star. Was doing really well. Of course, all the Phillies were doing really well for quite a while. Yeah, DJ LeMahieu drove in all 6 runs for the Yankees yesterday. Yes, he was. He was named to the team once when either Ranger Suarez or Wheeler couldn't go. He pitched to 2 hitters in the All-Star game. Yeah, he's been good, but all year. But I kind of wondered if he was pitching above his head, and I wonder if that was if a lot of players were playing above their head, and now everybody's coming back down to earth. Though I have no idea what's wrong with Bryce Harper. Oh, really? Got a plaque on your first major league home run. It's gonna be interesting to see how good he ends up being. It's gonna be interesting to see how the new owners in Baltimore handle everything. They got a lot of good young players, but that team's gonna be expensive in a few years. Pop it above the 20 and the 9, which is tangled up together. Maybe this is the pullback for it to get up to 20, excuse me, 2,500. Trust me, I'm not drunk. Well, Adley Rutschman would look good in a Phillies uniform in a few years. So we are 35 minutes till the bell. Trading gold and silver today in honor of the Olympics. Honestly, just gold. I'm not really seeing anything on silver I like. After the bell, we'll look for some opportunities of feeder cattle. Yeah. Right now we're gotten kind of stagnant. Hey, livestock. For all of you who chose not to be a part of the MightyOxTrading agriculture products challenge, you're missing out. Well, that's because it's closed right now, livestock. Remember the 45-minute break from 8:45 to 9:30. Oh, okay. I wanted to put something up about the hours for people that were unaware. I was hoping you were aware that about that break. Hoping I could find something. I think there's a couple good moves each day if I really look. Oops, wrong. There we go. It's sitting here, kind of gotten stagnant everywhere. Wow. Yep, small candles right now. It's taking a breath, as we all should. I still think it's going to hit 2,500 again at some point today. I mean, it'd be quite obvious to say, yeah, it's going to hit 2,500 someday. A little pullback. Actually, a big pullback. 2 points. Wow. Top of the hour. Oh, yeah, that's right. It's the top of the hour boost, or what do you want to call it? I'm not sure you call it a boost when it's going downward, but you get my point. Hey Jill, how you doing? Gold bounced back up. Ah, how you doing with copper? Nice. It's more than I'm up today so far. I'm up like 15 bucks. There's NQ popping up. Not a lot. Not a lot going on. I've taken one loss on gold, one win on gold. 10 tick loss, 12 tick gain, so 2 ticks overall. Yeah, gold and silver today. Honor the Olympics. Back to NQ tomorrow for non-farm payrolls. What's copper doing? I had considered including copper like as a replacement to bronze. Pull back there. Since there are no bronze futures. About 25 minutes till the bell. Bands are getting tight. We're tightening up. Yeah, didn't like the top of the hour there. Whoosh down. Whoosh. This would have been a great entry there in copper. If I'd been looking at it, that would have been a good one. Although I will say this one would have faked me out and took me out. So either way, but this would have been good. Take up to that 100 EMA. And this one back here before I was even awake would have been great. Yeah, you should definitely trade with the trend. That's where I get myself in trouble, is I'm always try to pick the pullback. Ooh, NQ just plopped down. Always trying to pick the reversal instead of going with momentum. Wow, could NQ fall all of a sudden? What upset it? Ooh, yeah, that's not a good number. Not unless you're going for a 10-to-1 risk to reward. Holy crap, what the heck's going on? So we just dropped 40 points on NQ in 2 minutes. Gold's not really moving. Is there news? No, not seeing any news. Yeah, but that was half an hour ago. Yeah, unemployment. Apple and Amazon after the bell. We do have more news coming up at 9:45 and 10 as well. Smaller news reports. Just because it's small doesn't mean it can't move the market. Sizes and everything. Remember that. Gold pulls back a little bit, comes right back up. And gold's trying to come down. We're going to take that purple candle if it sticks. 30 seconds on it. NQ fighting to move back up. Looks like it's not going to win that fight. Purple candle went away on gold. Everybody was kung fu fighting. Oh, sorry. 20 minutes from the bell, we should see an ace. Easy for me to say again. Should soon see ace and RJ. And Q could not bounce, still failing down there. Gold still in this tight range. There's ace. Good morning. He always waits till I say his name and then he suddenly appears. Now gold's trying to give me a blue candle, but this is definitely Cheva. Excuse me. Yeah, I said Ace and RJ should soon be here, and 30 seconds later, you're like, morning. Long off that blue candle. Goofy copper. Oh yeah, bouncing. Metals are being problematic today. There we go. Come on, go, 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 gold. Go, go, gadget. There we go. Target hit. 15 ticks on gold. And Q bouncing. Thank you, Ace. So we got the gold on that one. Thank you. Bouncing again. Off the 9. I don't even have the 9 on the chart. I can tell it's bouncing off the 9. Thank you, Chris. Gold pulls back. And Q couldn't get a grip to move up. "15 minutes till the bell." RJ's late. No. And Q giving, gold, keep calling it NQ, it's going to be upset with me. Gold giving me a purple, but sitting right on the ZMAs. I got to see a break. NQ, big drop. There's RJ. Good morning, sir. Blue candle on gold. It's kind of don't like it though. It went away for now. And Q over there making moves like Jagger. Oops. Yawning. Yawning. Gold. Still say gold's going to want 2,500 again. And it's getting closer. Maybe we'll get it at the bell. If anyone has any jewelry to pawn, gold jewelry, now might be the time. Coming right back down. We're kind of not much fun going on right now. I do want to thank everyone for joining me today. Hope you're having a good day so far. It's a great day. So far, that purple candle tried to fake me out. I haven't taken it. If it comes back up and then drops right back down, I will enter. Like it's trying to right now. Nope. Anyone else taking any trades this morning? Gold's trying to pop up here, and Q's popping up over there as well. Remember, after the bell, I'll also try to be watching feeder cattle. Gold's trying again, 24.97.5 right now. What will the bell bring? Ask not for whom the bell tolls. Excellent. Oh yeah, nice move. That was a nice blue candle there. Boom, boom. Copper's like, you should be playing with me, not gold. Sorry, they don't give out copper medals at the Olympics. They did. All of a sudden, you have all these meth addicts trying to make the Olympics. There's the pop on gold up to 24.98. Is it going to get 2,500 before the bell? These are the hard-hitting questions we ask here at MightyOxTrading. There, it's making the run. Making the run for the border. Pulls back again. We're just grinding. There's finally NQ trying to bounce. Pull back on gold. Looks like it might not get there. Will there be a boost at the bell? It's the big show. Pulls back. So what will we see today? NQ's trying to bounce there, right before the bell. So far, nothing exciting. Gold didn't pop. NQ's coming down some. Everybody took off. Went from 16 people here to 10. Bell scare everybody, or was it the ace meme? Here comes NQ again, trying to get 2,500. Can it do it this time? Can it? Can it? Can it? Yeah, gold. That's what I mean. Sorry, heck. Whatever I said on my mind. One of the major futures assets. There we go. I can't go wrong with that. Still no 2,500. It was denied again. Oh yeah, GF. Oh, holy. That's a bounce candidate right there. What the heck? Where's my Ninja Trader? My Ninja Trader is frozen. The heck? My Ninja Trader's frozen. Peter Cattle's the chart I have up, but now my there we go. Now my NQ's unfrozen. That might have just saved me because it's still coming down. Ninja Trader has 924. So I'm not sure. It's you. Gold still doing nothing. Watching for the bounce play here. I have it on a minute chart on NQ. Thank you for that reminder, Livestock. Ooh, gold, gold, gold. Long on gold. Long on gold for 2,500. There we go. Boom. Oh, I think it might have hit it and then came right back down on me. Got the 2,500.6. 2,502 is the overnight high, the all-time high. Sitting right on 2,500. It needs to break through. This is going to be a big fight area. Fight, 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 fight. There we go. Yep, I'm out. Ended up being a break-even trade. About ready to go long on feeders. If this whole, I have a green candle here on the 1 minute chart. I should have stayed in gold. There it's going. Darn it. It's just a hard area there because you don't know if it's going to just bounce off that big level or if it's going to continue breaking it. Feeder's still fighting here. Still not really going up. I have like the tiniest green candle in the one. Oh, yeah, I'm glad I didn't take that little tiny green candle either. Oh, maybe, there we go. If I get in here, well, I'm going to get in wherever this ends, and my target's going to be that 20 EMA. It's still fighting, still giving me red and it's actually kind of weird. I have a red candle on TradingView and matter of fact, I have different charts on TradingView versus. That's kind of upsetting. Yeah, my charts are totally different on feeders versus on. This must have the wrong contract. Or, well, now I need to see who has the most volume. 29. GF. There we go. Yeah, this is more volume. So yeah, it's definitely you. And we're long. So Ninja Trader, I'll keep you updated. I put my stop at the low. So I'm in right about here, and my stop's at the low. It's on Ninja Trader, so I can't yet show it on. Oh, it doesn't look good. Gold's still trying to head up. We're gonna go long for shooting it for the high day. High of the overnight. Which is actually all-time high. NQ trying to bounce. Come on, gold. You know you want to hit that, re-hit that overnight high. Or maybe you don't. $25,019 was the high there. Looks like I'm gonna be taken out here though. Probably a dumb trade to think it's gonna go up from there. So we're stopped out. Our feeders. Hopefully we can get up to there. Ace is being very quiet. Feeder's not looking good. Stop is at the low of this wick. It looks like I'm about to get hit. Gold coming down. That might have been the last attempt at the overnight highs. It might be heading toward a free fall. I just waited too long to get in that feeder trade. I could have got a few ticks out of it if I had gotten in on the first green candle there, right there. I'm still alive in it. Hasn't stopped me out yet, but I think it's going to. Or maybe not. Here comes the blue candle. Still watching gold. Popping up. Have a great day, Chris. Good morning, Burl. Feeder cattle are still playing with me. And here comes gold. Short gold. Stop. Oh my God. I didn't get the chance to move the stop in time. And now it's going to go. Oh my God. How did it even stop me? That's frustrating. Okay, so change the stop to a bigger stop so I can move it downward instead of upward. Look at NQ taking off. More bad trades than good trades. So there it's going where I expected it to go after getting stopped out. Feeders still hanging here. Still want this, but we'll see if it gets there. Gold's bouncing back up. NQ rising up there. Bounced off of 505 all the way back up to 630. Are you serious? Holy crap, look at this bounce on NQ. Over 100 points. I like the way the 5-minute chart looks. Part of me wants to be greedy and put the target up at the 20 on the 5-minute chart. NQ just taking off. There we go. There we go. And target hit on feeders. Give me a second here. Ninja Trader chart. I took the long here. You see, I sat through it, and then finally put here. It ended up being. Give me a second. It ended up being a 5, no 6, 7, 7, yeah, 7 tick winner. I probably should just stay in based on the 5-minute chart, but that's a good start to the day, to the challenge. So first win on feeder cattle. And there's NQ, I mean, GC down to its 100, just what I was going to target if I had not got stopped out on that trade. Nice move down on gold. This might be a long downtrend now. We'll see. We totally forgot, or at least I did, about the news. The US S&P manufacturing PMI. But at the top of the hour, we have US ISM manufacturing PMI. So let's not forget that. Feeder's still rising. Should have stayed in, but that's okay. Ouch, RJ. Oops, I'm looking at the wrong chart, so now I keep going back. Oh yeah, that purple candle there on silver would have been great. Gold hanging on its 100 EMA, trying to bounce. Took the long on gold. Probably stupid because it's got to get through EMAs, but it's not my first stupid trade ever. There we go. Come on, break that 20. Whips down off the 20. Exactly what I was afraid of. Trying again though. Another blue candle. Come on, get the momentum, get through it. Put some muscle into it. Come on. Q pull back and then bounce some. Come on. You know you want to. There you go. Target hit. 20 ticks. To 24.96 to 24.98. There we go. Now we're getting some gold. Still moving up. kind of stagnant. What's my feeders doing? Oh, big rejection. That would have been a good purple candle. I swear I set up alerts. Did I not get the alert or did I just not notice it? That would have been a great purple candle there on the feeders. Still grinding up. Is it going to get back? You can see the line there I have for the overnight high, which is the all-time high. Oh, wow. Well, there was the news pop. I said don't forget about the news, and, well, there it was. And this got within one tick of the overnight high, which is the all-time high. And Q coming down. There we go. New just broke through the overnight high. Every tick now it goes up is an all-time high. 2401. I'm sorry. Yeah, 25041. Say that 5 times fast. Really? Hold on. We're stuck. What's all these alerts? Oh, I got an alert on GF. Hold on. I swear I saw all-time high. Hold on. On TradingView, continuous front contract, we're at all-time high. Was that on a non-front contract, Dev? Let me turn off the B adjust. Aha. So if I take off the B adjust, then yeah, 25.36.1. It's still not the same number you have. Yeah, if I adjust for contract changes, then yeah, the all-time high is somewhere in that 25.37. Taking it off and just being the front month, and it's, so yeah, that's confusing. Thank you, Deb. And do I want to take that blue candle? So yeah, let's break it down. Let's see what contract are we on going gold? GCZ. So GCZ. If we go there, hit the daily. Oh yeah, okay. So this contract, yeah, there you go. I see what you're seeing, Deb. This contract hit 25.37.7 back on the 17th. That was before it was the front month contract. So it all depends on how you want to look at it. So that was the all-time high of this contract. But if you just go by front months, now we're at the all-time high. It's all confusing. It's the whole confusing thing about futures, the whole contract rule stuff. So we got the 25.066. We've dropped down 4 points. Nice move back down. So this might be the reversal. Looking at the 5-minute chart, it's giving back that last 5-minute candle just about. This looks like a great reversal point. If I was playing the 5-minute chart, it still has 2.5 minutes on it. Have a great day, Deb. Very good to see you today. Look forward to seeing you more often. And look at that drop on silver. Livestock, are you still in the silver? Oh, you hit your target, didn't you? You won at 29. Down to 92.4. So we dropped 14 points that quick. What's my feeders doing? Oh, wow, that drop on the feeders. So you got up here, that purple candle was a beautiful entry, that bounced and then down. What's the 5-minute look like? 5-minute wasn't as clear. Wrong charts. There we go. Still coming down on gold. So I should have taken it off the 5-minute chart because it's already going down 2 points since. Missed opportunity on my part. Looks like it wants to bounce here on the 1, which is why I didn't take it on the 5. But that's not happening. Yeah, that's often true. I notice the same thing. I mean, oftentimes a really big candle is going to leads to a reversal. Right there. Now we are seeing that green candle on the 5. You see a little pop up here. Nice little bounce. There's gold coming down. And let's chase it. No, it's not. I missed it. Purple candle and I missed it. I'm not going to chase. That was my mistake. How's everyone doing? There's another pop. So I could have got a quick 2 points, but didn't go any further. No, here it comes back down. And back up. And Q's coming down. About 40 minutes to go in the stream. Did we lose Ace? He hasn't said anything until since 2 minutes from the bell to the bell. Just kind of hanging here. Oh, GF giving me some sort of signal. Let me look. Looks like it's trying to bounce up. Where's my ninja? If it gets back above that green candle there, we'll try and grab it. I like to try to give me a blue candle there on the 5. Again, we'll target the 20 EMA. Gold's doing nothing right now. Anyone trades natural gas, your inventories are coming up here real soon. NQ dropping like a rock. So NQ definitely giving back here. Wow, it's dropped 200 points in the last 30 minutes. With a great signal right there. Ooh. There's gold dropping too. Just took a long on feeders. There's my feeders trade. I'm up 3 ticks. Shooting for that 20 EMA on the 1 minute chart. Back down. That's not looking good. Let me guess. I don't have a 9 EMA on here. Let me guess. It just hit the 9. That damn 9 EMA. Yep, look at that. Bounced off the 9. 5 ES or MES? Yeah, I'm about to get stopped out on feeders. Yep, stopped out. So big, wait. You shorted 5 contracts? Okay. I thought that was big size for you. I was like, huh? That's why I asked MES or BS. I was like, that's kind of interesting. Okay, now the feeders get back above that 9, I'm taking it. Oh. Nice. That's excellent job. Yeah, I was concerned there for a minute. Like, when did she start slinging that many? Okay, we're gonna go long on the feeders again. Stop is below this candle here. Gold trying to pop there with that blue candle. Not getting any traction. Silver looking interesting there. Actually, gold might be popping here. Bouncing off the 100 EMA on the 5-minute chart. It's gonna stop me again for here, but just did. Okay. So feeders just aren't ready to move up. Oh. Gold's trying to pop. There's a move up, trying to break through. It did end up bouncing off that 100 EMA on the 5-minute chart. Silver's giving me an interesting blue candle down there. I think I might want to find a silver chart. You know what? I'm going to find a silver chart, but not on my funded futures. I'm going to. What do I want to do it on? What's the symbol for silver? Oh, apparently I can't do it there. Okay, let's go to Topstep. Where's my Topstep? Topstep, Topstep, where are you? All right, we're going to take a trade on silver if this candle holds off the 5-minute on Topstep. Silver's pulling back, blue candle went away. I got all excited about it. choking. Excuse me 1 second. Gold hit that, excuse me, 100 EMA. Silver dropping hard. So glad I didn't take that silver trade. Gold trying to push up. If it breaks back through that 100 EMA, I'm interested. If it doesn't, I'm not interested. Beautiful. There you go, Jill. Moves up. It's above. I'm going to take the long. I have a darn tickle in my throat. Century was basically to play the candle off that bounced off the 100 EMA. It didn't really bounce off of it, but it got above it. See if we can continue the momentum up. Ooh, ouch. Comes back down. Was 6 or 7 ticks in the profit there, then it snapped back. JJR, are you here today? I haven't heard from you either. You still fighting the market? I really wonder what happened to Ace. All right. Are they okay, RJ? All right. Have a great weekend. So bounce off the 100 for me and come back up. See you, man. That booger gets stopped. It's a good feature that they have there. Hey, JJR, how's your trading day going? And my trade's back in the profit by a tick. Or it was until I said that. Natural gas kind of liked its inventories. Crude oil dead in the water. Actually, shouldn't have crude in the water. It doesn't mix, causes an ecological catastrophe. What's my feeder cattle doing? Ooh, wow. So I should have just took the short on feeder cattle and wrote it. Wow, that was a mistake on my part. That's me always thinking I want to try and play the bounce, and it just did bounce. So I'm not sure what happened there. That's interesting. Oh, so not a good day, JJR? Yeah, if you prefer not to answer my questions, you don't need to. I don't try and like make people talk about their losses if they don't want to. But I appreciate your openness about it. Wouldn't be the first time that somebody did. Skull Trade is just trying to torture me here. Where does it want to go? Looks like down now. Yep. Up and down. Definitely going to stay away from trading gold on the 1-minute chart from now on. You're going to get this, JJR. I mean, you've gotten payouts, right? So you have the ability. I think that the market has changed over the last 2 or 3 weeks, so you might need to adjust to that. We're seeing bigger candles. We're seeing faster moves. Just sitting here on a DMA. Glad I didn't try that silver bounce. That would have hoit. That purple candle would have worked. You'll get it back. You know, you'll get the mojo back. But again, like I said, I really believe that the market has changed over the last few weeks. It's not the same market we were trading in June. This is moving faster. I mean, yesterday NQ did a 700 point or 600 point day. And those are rare. So it's just like, I think that might be the issue.
see a bounce here off that band. Getting the band back together. Still pulling down. So gold is starting to fall. Looks like this purple candle was the start. Again, though, you can see on the 5, this 100 EMA looming. It's got to really break that for can really whoosh. We have a few minutes left to go on the stream. What's my feeders doing? Oh, big bounce on the feeders. Sits here 24.91. Gonna take this purple if it stays. Should it stay or should it? Ooh, sorry, singing. Don't compare yourself to anyone else, JJR. You don't know what they've gone through. You see their A sides, you see their payouts. You don't know how many accounts they've blown to get that one payout. You don't even know if it was just a couple of lucky trades. So don't compare yourself to others. You think maybe you might need a day off or a day or two off to clear your head? It won't hurt anything if you take a couple days off. Trading's not going to go away. And if you can clear your head and come back fresh. That whip down and then whip back up. Whip my hair. Not giving me what I want here. Nope, it's going to come up and stop me out. Now, if I'm wrong and we end up in like thermonuclear war and the market closes down, well, then I think we have bigger problems anyway. Hey, Ghost. Yeah, I think most of us need more sleep. Nice job. And we have reached the top of the hour. I do want to thank everyone for joining me today. Yep, just don't force it, Ghost. We'll be back tomorrow for non-farm payrolls, 8 a.m. Eastern time. Hopefully, I can get some more good trades on feeder cattle. Because right now, CFT and Tio are running away with the challenge using their Dom magic. Anyway, have a great day, everyone. Be careful, JJR. That might be the other thing you might want to do is just size down for a little bit, JJR. Just so you get a feel for the market again. Have a great day, everybody. We'll talk to you tomorrow. If you enjoyed today's live stream, remember we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us.
Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day,